Bam! What is up, YouTube? This is Don back again at you. My apologies for my delay on uploading new content for you guys. A lot of things have been happening during these rough times for me and everybody else, I'm pretty sure. But we are back and we have a lot of new stuff bringing to the channel and a lot of questions to be answered. Thanks to my sponsor, Esk8te. We're going to be talking about the matte wheels, matte 105. These are the exact copies of the boosted 105, which is so expensive, and we will have an introduction sale of $99 for the first week, and that'll be coming up within 2 weeks, I will say. So stay put. Any questions, put it down on the comment section and I will do my best to try to answer them accordingly. Thank you very much. God bless you guys and ride safe, but keep riding, baby.